10 o'clock, fiending for the guap, I be beaming.
I'm literally about to go skating right now. It's 6 in the morning. I woke up at 5:30. I have not been up this early in a minute. I'm like whispering so quietly because my whole family is sleeping. Bro, my Air Forces, it's just embarrassing. Like, that happened the last time I went skating and I walked through a trail. Low key, this is an ASMR video. Looks like the weather app
Love you.
Love you! How are there other people here when it's literally 4 in the morning? It's 4 in the morning right now. Just kidding. Call me coach now that we're on the rink, please. I know. Good morning, guys. Me and Mattea are at an ice rink. We've honestly taken up skating over the past couple days. We'll show you our tricks, don't worry. But we needed to come when there was no interruption, no one on the ice. So we fucking woke up at 5:30. Now we're here and I'm standing in front of this tree. Like, this is amazing. Mattea's already getting ready to work. Skates are going on because she takes about 20 minutes to get them on. She's getting a head start.
Ryan Little.
Also, it's carbonated water. I just keep vlogging. I take a clip and then I just show the tree. Guys, we're still asleep. At least I am. Yeah, what the hell? Oh, she works. No, first trick I'm doing is my triple spin. I don't know why it's so weird. We just got on the tree. What are you doing? You're crazy. Let me expose Mattea for you guys. What? My skate guard is still on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm actually crying. Oh my god. I told you guys she's embarrassing me. She's not that bad. Oh my god, my eyes are fucking watering.
I can't, like, I told you something was wrong.
Oh my fucking god.
I told you something was wrong.
My the zip tie and everything. Imagine the whole time.
Bro, at least I'm not cursed.
Okay, now Mattea's gonna show us a real trick.
Okay, yeah.
There you go.
I was like it.
Yeah, we've been working on our backward skating, our turns, and our stops. Honestly, like, obviously, all jokes aside, we've improved so much the more we've been skating. That made my life. This is also, like, the light we need to skate. It's dark as fuck. Do a spin. Yes. Oh. Okay, honestly, that was better. That's really good. Yeah.
Well, we were going that. standing? How did I lose balance just from standing?
I just got a package from Anthropology, the candles I ordered in my last vlog, so you already know I'm gonna unbox them for you guys. I'm like doing this so unprofessionally.
Using a bread knife.
It's not even, it's like a butter knife. But it just like,
Oh yeah, it's literally like a spatula, Amanda. It's not even a knife.
no, it's actually like really thin, so it works well.
I use like my keys.
Usually.
I use my keys.
Sorry, but the videographer isn't supposed to react. Let's see, I hope this is the fern one, but I'm gonna guess it's not. So, oh my god, this is, I guess it's so it won't break. Oh, this one I have never smelled. So this is sweet vanilla cinnamon. I only read reviews, so I haven't smelled it yet.
Why is it so far down in the candle?
It smells good though.
I can smell it from here. Mm.
Or actually, this is the one that they apparently always have this burning.
Like
In Anthropology
or something.
Yeah. Already smells freaking good. I was gonna give this to my brother, but I honestly don't think I'm gonna. You're gonna. Oh my god, smell it.
It sounds like champagne toast.
Really?
Yeah. Like,
Oh my
like
God.
the citrusy kind of.
Yeah, it's
Whatever
like
type of
fresh. The only one I want for Christmas is not here yet.
One, right?
Yeah, but whatever. This is gonna be the one that is another go-to. Candle haul, like, don't kill me.
For your birthday.
Okay, that was an easy one. And then this one. Okay, these are all huge. I did not know these were gonna be the really huge ones. So I'm just gonna open it up. This one is like, if you have never, this is honestly not even a joke. If you have never smelled this candle, please do yourself a favor. Exit this video, find the closest, but seriously, like.
The closest Anthropology. Do you want me to record you smelling it? I don't know.
No, I look fucking hideous. I want to take a sip of this. Seriously, I do. I'm thirsty. Okay. I literally completely forgot I was vlogging. I got home from skating and showered right away because I was freezing, and then I filmed 2 videos. As you can tell, my shit's everywhere. I filmed a makeup tutorial for this look, Honey, which is definitely my favorite makeup look I've done in a minute. I just purchased this lip combo from Shoppers, bitch. All drugstore products. So you guys will have to watch that video to see what it is, but this is like the perfect Y2K nude lip. Are you serious? So I filmed this makeup, and then I filmed a jewelry collection, which I'm really excited to post. And I'm just having a blessed day. It started off on such a good note. Obviously skating at like 5 in the morning. So I'm kind of just doing my thing. My hair is still wet because it was in a claw clip. But right now I'm gonna clean up my room. I also showed you guys, oh, I did show you my candles. I kind of forgot about that. So I was burning this one all day. I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I actually know I'm gonna end the vlog right now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Take this as your sign to go skating with your friends. Go before that bitch opens because it's way better. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.